Hi, I would like to tell you my story. If you stay and listen, I'll definitely owe you one. I am Anju Jose. I am making this video as a part of my coursework for CDP program in Conestoga College, Canada. So let's just dive right in. Let me tell you three things that I consider as the best things that happened to me during school days. I could join National Cadet Corps and get military training. I studied Sanskrit. I had good reading and listening skills. I started developing interest in social science subjects. I believe I have the foundation of my career and life there in my school. The next turning point was choosing the college and stream. In 2012, I joined Union Christian College for my bachelor's in economics. It was fascinating to study about money. It was a time when I started to explore my horizons intellectually. I started to read more, think more, debate more, and began to form my own opinions. Then I decided to take a professional degree. Next academic year, I joined for Masters in Human Resource Management. Classes used to last 12 hours a day and 6 days a week. Homework used to consume whatever free time left, but all those rigorous studies paid off. By the time I reached my final semester, I had a job offer in hand and a pretty good understanding of HR functions. Then I joined Network Retex as their first HR manager. I literally had to start from scratch. I began to build systems and policies for human resource management in the company. Let me tell you, learning by doing is the best way to learn. You own your knowledge. After 4 years in the same role, I began to feel like it's time to move on. I started looking for programs that I can take which will help me explore my skills. Now, I have joined for Career Development Professional Program in Conestoga College, which feels like an exciting turn in this journey. Learning about helping people in their rough turns of career seems a great service to me, something I wish I could receive in my past. So now, about future. My answer would be I have no idea. There are some roads visible to continue this journey. I can go ahead and with this certification, I can be a career development professional. I can go back to my safe place, that is HR, or I can wait for all the contingencies that there is. I am really hoping for something unexpected to happen. I'm not searching for an end. I believe this journey is beautiful, and I'm eagerly waiting to see what's going to unfold next. This is the journey, and it continues. Thank you for listening to me.